Hey, Matt's Garage here. So I'm just going to do a cold start on my 2004 PT Cruiser here. And I've got command start, so it's minus 17 Fahrenheit. I changed my phone over to Fahrenheit for the video. See how show goes. It's a weak battery too. Well, I gotta admit, that doesn't sound too healthy. It wasn't plugged in or anything, but it is going. Sounds like it's all gonna smooth out in a minute here. Yep. Sounds nice now. Thanks for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.